is an I in you, and there is a you in I. We cannot be fully human alone. We are made for interdependence. We are made for family. I am because we are. Time now with Ubuntu to undertake rethinking, thinking, reframing, framing, relearning, learning, redoing, doing, retransforming, transformation, reperforming, performative, and reformation. So we need a new approach in Africa because we have not fully decolonized. So because of that, we need to do this. When you have Ubuntu, you embrace others. You are generous. You are compassionate. If the world had more Ubuntu, would not have war, would not have this huge gap between the rich and the poor. You are rich so that you can make up what is lacking for others.